We're going to look at how to account for bonus plans in our current liabilities chapter. This may have been introduced by your instructor in accounting's principal course. It's a very small portion of the chapter, so some instructors choose to skip it and leave it for intermediate accounting. So the bonus plan, the amount of the bonus you will record will depend on the income earned. This is an incentive often to management to increase earnings. And you're going to be recording a liability, but it must wait until the earnings can be accurately estimated. Because the goal is to report the earnings after the bonus is subtracted. So it's not an easy math calculation. This is one of those times where it's best to use just a simple algebraic equation. So we'll call the bonus B. We'll call net income NI. So the bonus that you will record is going to equal the percentage times net income minus the bonus. So this is why it's easiest to use little algebra. It's going to be recorded employee bonus expense and bonus payable. So our example is with PMP Company's management. They want to offer a bonus to their employees at year end. It's based on the after bonus expense net income. So you don't just take net income and multiply it by the percentage, because that net income, the bonus expense has already been subtracted. So you've got to kind of back into it. You're going to have to calculate the 5% bonus based on a net income of $500,000. But that bonus expense, remember, was already subtracted to get to $500,000. So how do I get there? Revenues minus all expenses, including bonus, is $500,000. $500,000 times 5% is $25,000, but that is not how you calculate your bonus. That would actually be more than 5%. So back to the equation, you need to figure out what bonus is. Let's plug some numbers. So we have 5% we're using. Net income is $500,000 where we want to be, but how much is the bonus? 5% times 500,000, 5% times the unknown bonus. Okay, now isolate B to one side. If I add it on, if it's a subtraction, I need to add it on both sides to isolate B to one side of the equal sign. Just basic algebra. Now remember, B equals 1 or 100%. So B plus 0.05B equals 1.05B equals the 25,000. Okay, now I still need to solve for B, so how do I isolate B? I have to get rid of that 1.05. Whatever I do on one side of the equal sign, I do on the other side of the equal sign. So B equals 25,000 divided by 1.05. So here is your bonus. It is 23,803.52, not 25,000. And to review the calculation again. And this will be a PowerPoint available on D2L. There's an alternate calculation, but just make sure you understand both of them.